Dentavim is a cutting-edge dental health supplement specifically formulated to address the underlying causes of oral health issues. It focuses on combating pollutants and inflammation through a unique combination of 6 clinically validated natural ingredients. This powerful blend aims to promote fresh breath, support healthy gums, and enhance the brightness of your smile. Here are the distinctive features that set Dentavim apart. Sulforaphane from Sahara kale helps eliminate harmful pollutants and reduces inflammation, protecting your teeth and gums. Roselle hibiscus helps reduce stress and enhances cognitive function, supporting both your well-being and oral health. Citrus flavonoids work to reduce oxidative stress and promote gum health while also aiding digestion. Together, these powerful ingredients create a protective barrier against toxins and pollutants, offering results that users report seeing within just a few weeks, like fresher breath, whiter teeth, and reduced gum sensitivity. Feeling hesitant about trying something new? Don't worry, Dentavim offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to explore its benefits without any risk. If it doesn't deliver the amazing results it claims, just return it for a complete refund. Keep in mind, this exclusive offer is only valid through the official link in the description below. Don't let oral discomfort and bad breath stand in your way any longer. Take action now. Click the link in the description and try Dentavim today. Your path to a brighter, fresher smile is just one step away.